All right, hey everybody, I've got another cool Chrome extension for you. Like all of them, this is my website. You can see there's a bunch of different tools on there, a bunch of different extensions meant to save you time, make you money, all that good stuff. The one we're talking about today is Post Filter Pro. All right, everybody, so we've got Post Filter Pro. I want to make sure that I don't see any ads. It's a cool Chrome extension that basically takes them off of my feed. So what we're going to do is just say ads. There's one from this company called Play or something. So let's just get rid of them. And you saw that went away pretty quick. So what that's going to do is take away all the ads from my feed. So now just get to see all the things and all the people and all the dog pics that I want. Not a lot to it, so we're going to go ahead and click stop. And let's say we only want to see ads. So maybe if you're in marketing and you're interested in seeing what other people are doing, you can see now we've got ads, all this good stuff. So if that's your interest, you want to see what your competition's doing, that's the way to do it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Filter what you want. I'm going to say funnel here. So let's see if we can find a funnel. And so right now, or filter out the funnels. And as we see, the previous funnel ad isn't there, so that's good. So say we didn't want to see, let's see what's a good one here. We'll just say this one here for Play. And there we go. And of course, now we see other different ones like Google, and we don't want to see Google, so let's type it in there. And let's see where that was for Google. And I might not be able to find it, so I'm just going to click on the filter, have it start. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to see ads except for the Google ad that I had. And that's pretty much the tool. See what you want to see, filter out the ads if you don't want to see them. And that's pretty much it. Any questions, let me know. I am selling it. Of course, message me, follow the link. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll hook you up. Thanks.